You want to know why so few people are able to make money in affiliate marketing? The reality is that even though we always tell you, hey, there's no work involved, it's very, very simple. The fact of the matter is that there is work involved. You do have to put in some effort. You see me sitting here making my recordings for you. That takes time, that takes effort. But what if you could do most of that stuff automatically using an AI system? That's what my friend and mentor Michael has said, and he has put together something truly, truly incredible, very, very simple and easy to use. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of the AI Profit Machine. Okay, looking right now at the sales page for the AI Profit Machine. This is for my friend and mentor, Michael Cheney. Now, Michael has, of course, put in the work to create incredible products, but he realized that AI was the future, that it was possible to go ahead and create tons and tons of content using AI that really does make good quality stuff, and you can put together stuff instantly. That's what he put together here. He actually took all of these ideas and created his own AI system, which will create everything that you need right away, super fast. Now, I'm going to tell you about it in just a moment. I'm going to show you the members area. But before I do, I want to tell you about my custom list because I want to take this custom list to the next level for you. You see, after all, yeah, everyone buys AI Profit Machine. It's going to have access to the base. It's going to have access to a way of creating reviews automatically. It's going to have access to create bonuses automatically. It's going to have access to create social media posts automatically. But what if I took it to the next level for you and actually showed you how to take this and make it even more successful? That's what I'm going to give you. So first and foremost, let me tell you about what I'm going to offer you right here in my custom bonus. So number one, I found an AI system that will create a complete 100+ page ebook in seconds. Okay, literally, I've tested it over and over again. This system creates a 100+ page ebook literally in seconds. You don't have to do any work. You just go ahead and plug it in, and the system will automatically create your ebooks for you instantly. Just tell it what you want to do, and it can create it for you. Very, very fast and very, very simple. But of course, I'm still not done yet because after all, this would not be a Man That review without a whole bunch of custom bonuses. Yes, I know you are the man that also, but right now we're talking about me, not about you. So go and forge a painting or something like that. But seriously, I also said to myself, well, what if you didn't need to go ahead and take your bonus, which is just text, and use that? What if you could actually create a podcast that could talk about things? So I actually found this new system that creates podcasts for you, where you take a couple of subjects, take a subject, you feed it materials, and it instantly creates podcasts where the people are going to be talking about something for you instantly. And you just download just like that. It is that fast. Of course, that still doesn't get you all the way there because after all, you want it to be able to talk about why you have the best custom bonus. Now, what if you could actually tell it, hey, make sure you mention that we have all these custom bonuses included with this thing when you pick it up from me. That is something that is brand new that I've never revealed before how to do that. And I'm even going to tell you how to tell it to give the specific URL of your own video, okay, your own review. You can do this right now, instantly have the thing push your particular review product and put together a podcast for you that you can go ahead and upload on Spotify, on Apple, on wherever you want to put it up. I actually have a copy of a podcast that I created right here. You can listen to, and I put it up on YouTube. All instant stuff, and this one is completely totally for free. You don't have to spend any money on it. But I'm still not done yet because after all, if you were to take a look at these two things, you were saying to me, Eric, you know what? That's really, really nice, but it's kind of a crappy thing to only give me 2 bonuses. Well, it's not going to be crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
I just said it's not crap, but thank you very much for the vote of confidence. But seriously, check this out. How about if I also show you how to create your own, choose your own adventure stories? Now, this is again another AI system that will actually go ahead and create all this stuff for you. Okay, you're going to be able to actually create your own, choose your own adventure stories. But I'm still not done yet because I do want to make sure that you really have everything you want. So how about if I also allow you to create AI generated sound effects? Okay, so any kind of sound effect that you need in order to enhance your videos, this thing can create it for you instantly. And I'm still not done yet. After all, want to be a successful entrepreneur, you need a lot of bonuses. By the way, all of my bonuses do come with full PLR rights. You can sell them, you can give them away, use them as your own custom bonus. How about if I also show you how to create instant videos from a prompt? Okay, this is basically all I did was I put in a prompt saying, I want chickens pecking at the ground in a post-apocalyptic wasteland. You created this video for me instantly, all right? I'm giving that to you as well. All this is going to be included as my customers when you pick up AI Profit Machine from me. But I'm still not done yet. I'm even going to show you how to create, how to translate any video into dozens of languages instantly so you can make even more money. Because you can take your videos you just created, translate them, and go ahead and sell to people in other languages. Really, really incredible stuff just for you. Now, let's check out the members area real quick here so you can see. Look, that's not the members area. This is the members area. Okay, so it's very, very simple to use, actually. Okay, so it's going to give you a video explaining how to do it, but you really don't even need the video. So what I did was like this. I went ahead and simply copied the text from the sales page. Okay, I pasted it in over here. All right, you can see that, and then I said, okay, get me a bonus, and it created options for bonuses. It actually created a bonus for me instantly. But again, you can create a full ebook bonus. But what if I wanted to do a review now? All I do is click get review, and it's instantly going to create a review for me of this product. So you can go ahead and take this and actually use it to create your reviews instantly. You don't do any of the work. It'll do it for you. All right. Very, very simple, very easy to use, and it is all done for you. Super, super, super fast. Look how fast it created it for us. All right, everything that you need is all ready to roll. You don't have to do any of the work yourself. So let's see if I can formally give a tip of my head to the product creator.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you're the man. This is awesome. This really is an incredible, incredible system. Grab it, you're gonna love it.